The Wi-Fi door alarm system, 8-piece DIY wireless alarm kit, is designed for homeowners and renters looking for a straightforward way to add an extra layer of security without the complexity of a professionally installed system. One of its biggest advantages is that it focuses on easy DIY installation, making it suitable for people who want to set up a basic home security solution without specialized tools or technical experience. This makes it a practical option for protecting entry points, such as doors, while keeping the installation process simple. A key feature is the included door sensors, which monitor when protected entry points are opened. Combined with a built-in 120 dB alarm, the system is intended to provide a loud, audible warning if a sensor is triggered. A high-volume alarm can help alert people inside the home while also drawing attention to unexpected entry, making it useful in situations where an immediate audible response is important. Another practical benefit is Wi-Fi connectivity with real-time alerts. Instead of relying only on the local alarm, the system is designed to send notifications when activity is detected, allowing users to stay informed even when they are away from home. This added awareness can be especially useful for checking on the security status of a property without needing to be physically present. The inclusion of an 8-hour backup battery also adds an important level of reliability. If household power is interrupted, the system is designed to continue operating for several hours, helping maintain protection during temporary outages. While no backup battery lasts indefinitely, having this feature provides additional peace of mind compared to systems that depend entirely on continuous power. Another point worth noting is that the kit does not require a subscription. For buyers who prefer to avoid ongoing monthly fees, this can make the system more appealing since the core security features are available without adding recurring costs. That may be particularly attractive for anyone looking for a budget-conscious home security setup. Overall, this alarm kit is best suited for those who want an accessible wireless security solution that emphasizes simple installation, loud local alerts, mobile notifications, and backup power. It is designed to cover essential home security needs without unnecessary complexity, making it a practical choice for users who value convenience and straightforward operation while maintaining awareness of activity around their home.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.